Hey everybody, I'm out here with the Mavic Pro. It's right down here. It's right here. Okay. So, usually I'm on my knees doing this, but the grass is a little wet and I don't feel like getting my pants all soaking wet. It's bad enough my shoes are wet. Well, I went out there to that old factory today. I was going to fly down the river, but the problem was that damn factory was open on Sunday. You know, before Donald Trump got elected president, not to get into politics, but that steel plant was never open more than 3 or 4 days a week, ever. Now it's open 7 days a week, running all the time. So it's going to be hard for me to get down there to fly with the factory open. So we're going to take a little flight with the Mavic Pro and see how that performs, because I haven't flown this thing in forever, man. Let me start some video. Let's take off here. Well, it don't look like the leaves are changing that much yet where I'm at, but they'll get there. You can see they're right on the edge. I'm going to take it out maybe 1,700 feet or something. You know, my normal what I do here at this park. Okay, so now the sun's coming out, so it hasn't been out all damn day. So the sun's coming out now, and I didn't put the filter on. So hopefully it doesn't bother the video too much. I'm at 800 feet now. Yeah, you can see there's a couple of trees that are starting to turn there a little bit off to the left. Okay, I made it my 1,700. Now I'm coming back. Okay, that's about my limit for this park. Hey, I sound like I'm at Marcus's with the lawnmowers going. Because actually, there's always a lawnmower or some kind of hedge trimmer going on over here, too. Okay, so. There's a couple of trees that have turned red, but not many, I'll tell you. Now, you know, we got this Mavic Pro, you know, with the OcuSync. So when I was 1,700 feet out there, the transmission signal was still at 100%. It hadn't lost not even one stinking bar. OcuSync is the best without a doubt. Nothing can touch that. Nothing can touch the OcuSync, man. It's the best stuff going. No doubt. Trying to get this camera straightened out here. I was pissing off the obstacle avoidance there. Yeah, Mavic Pro is sweet as could be, man. Sweet as could be. Man, the Mavic Pro still got it, brother. It's still good as hell. Look at that thing. Solid as a rock. Wow.